Hello guys, so we are seeing the catchy mechanisms, how to implement the catchies in a ASP.NET MVC. So a previous session we saw some basic uh, version of a catchy that provided by the MVC. So we used output catchy to catch the page for every 10 seconds. So that is what this page. So now it is 43. So on up to the 10 seconds it will hold the same page. So now I want to debug and see this particular catchy, how it is catched, and what type of catchy it is, and what is the expiry date, everything. So I want to debug catchy. See, normal browser debugger, so inspect element, you won't get the proper version of debugging. So so I want to see my catches, so it's a bit difficult, so to add extension. So yes, today I introducing some tool that is really very helpful. It will be very useful for you guys to understand more about the response and request, as well as the catching mechanisms, and lot of stuff. So let me go on the show you that demo. Today I'm going to show you how to debug your web request properly. So I here I find one tool called Fiddler web debugger. So this will helps you Fiddler, yeah. So web debugger, so just type this in Google. Okay, this is provided by Teldrick. Okay, just go to the first link only, the Teldrick download slash Fiddler. So here you can download your web debugger. So this is have more option to debug and see how the catches is working really in your applications. Okay, so it will redirect you to the download Fiddler page. Just enter your plan and the email, and please download the version of exe file here. So on giving the uh, uh, plan, so I'm using for a website development and the debugging. So according to that, they will generate you the exe. So that exe will help you a lot to analyze your application request and response. Okay, my setup is downloading. So it's around a 4 MB. You can download and install in your system. Okay, my setup is downloaded. Just install the setup. Okay, so finally my debugger is open. So so here you see a lot of option to inspect your uh, page, and you can do all your inspection and auto responder, so everything. So let's quickly go and refresh my page. So once I refresh my all my request, it will be added in my web debugger. So which is my request is home dot index. So if you click the home index, so it will open tab which have the following details. So here if you go to the cookies, click the cookie. Okay, in the header, cookie. Okay, let me go and enable the caches more than a minute, so that we can easily capture. So let me give around, yeah, approximately something, yeah, so 10,000 seconds. Let me rebuild my application. Okay, so now I just refresh my page. So again my Fiddler will get updated. So this is my request link. So these are all the other request which is defaulted generating. So this is the request which I recently did. So I made it 10,000. So if you see here, the maximum age which I set it is coming here. And yes, the response may be catched by any maximum age is 2 hours 78, and I didn't set any very header. So every request you can able to see here. So whatever the duration that I set it here is 10,000. So on the every request it will be keep adding, it will start the counting until this link it will get expire. Okay, so this is the second response. Okay, this is the 10 second that which we before we kept, and this is the 10,000 second which we added recently. So it is catched almost 2 hours 78 minutes. So normally in the date stamp, we conclude that yes it is doing, but exactly my catch is added or not by using this tool, the with the based on the request. See the multiple time I just hit it. See still it is 9,788. So all the my request it is background it's loading. This is what the request. Still this many seconds it will be hold my catchy. So it is left is 2 hour to 78 seconds. So already almost some around 200 18 seconds, sorry, it's 12 seconds is over. So likewise you can check the completely how you can confirm by using the advanced tool like this, that whether your catch is added properly or not, is that expiry is working or not. So all the stuffs. So hopes you understand. Just to go through the Fiddler tool to understand more about that, so you can have the statistics completely on the your request and your response what you get. And you have the options transformers and the headers. So what the headers, so if you go to the headers, you will defaultly you can see this header catchy. So catchy have the maximum age is there, and when it will be the date when it is catched and when it is going to expire. So vary by parameter now it is all, uh, so this I will explain a bit deep why it is this is the very actually. So here you can set the customized your parameter. So the particular parameter hits then please create a new cache or update the cache. So that level of way we can manage. So that at all I will explain your future. So now currently we discussed in the past session how to set the duration and how to catch mechanism in the basic question. The future I will explain you more bit about this. Hopes you understand. Please go through my basic version of output catchy tutorial in ASP.NET MEC tutorial to understand bit about that. So this is the second level of tutorial of that to check whether the cache is happening in my browser in my machine. So what is the age limit of that, so how the expiry is working. So I just used this debugger tool to confirm that. So you guys, I will also recommend to use the Telrig Fiddler web debug. So you have a lot of so by using the clearing the cache mechanism this will clear your cache. So again if you refresh, 1 second. Okay, so default browser is IE, so you need to select the Chrome to do such a things. Okay, yes, it is the time. So now you clear the cache. Okay, so some settings is needed for that. Fine, it will works. So some options they provided. Yes, default it's IE. So you can inspect with the Chrome to get a more update on that. So you can change the browser Chrome here, and you can use clear the cache by using this tool, and you can check uh, doing other sessions and auto responders is like two-way binding kind of, and the composers. Fiddler script, you can write your Fiddler scripts, own scripts. So these are all the section that I want to show you. It's very depth. It's very friendly for the .NET, especially the .NET application. So you can see the transformation. If you click the double click of the page, you can see the source code as well. Oops, it's get corrupted. Yep. So you are able to see the source code of the page. So likewise a lot of so this is the syntax we okay. So this is the imagery. So anyways image is not found. So this is the web view. So this is web view. My date and stamp is displaying. Hopes you understand. So I will explain you more about how the cache is working, and how still we can improve our application. Thanks for watching the video guys. Please try this tool to get more benefit of this. Please subscribe our channel to get more updates.